Yo, what up guys, it's Juan JB Reviews. Today we'll be doing a review on the Peter Mckinnon Variable ND filter. So with Peter Mckinnon being one of the bigger names in YouTube in terms of photography and videography, so much so actually that he came out with his own Variable ND filter, partnered with Polar Pro to come out with it, along with his nomadic line of backpacks, but that's beside the point. He came out with the Variable ND filter, and I have to say, I love it. The unboxing experience of the filter is going to be top tier. The material that the box comes with is going to be excellent. It's very smooth, very soft. On the back of the box itself, you do obviously get Peter Mckinnon right here with a quick description of the filter. It does come with a slide cover right there, unveiling the box right here, which does come with a magnetic flap. I love magnets. So once you do lift up the magnetic flap, it does expose one of his more iconic pictures. If you do know and follow his channel, you know that this is one of his signature pictures, more so, right there on the lake in wintertime. So when you do lift up the magnetic flap, it shows the picture. It does automatically show you the hard shell case right there and the lens cap cover. That's also a very good thing that they included. I do like the lens cover just because you don't always want to completely take off the filter and then have to put it back in either the hard shell case or the soft case. It's just more convenient to pop on the lens cover and quickly take it off if you need to get a shot off, put it back on, you're good to go. Personally, my favorite part of the whole package is undoubtedly the hard shell cover. The fact that it has a magnetized opening and closing mechanism is next level. The lens itself sits right in the case. You do have to drop it in the case and press down a little bit for it to grip onto the case. But when you do take it out, it does reveal the ND filter itself. The filter, of course, is going to be a 2 to 5 stop ND filter. The actual build quality of the filter is going to be excellent. It's going to be an all metal build with a quartz material on the lens. So my favorite part of the filter itself is going to be the 2 hard stops that it comes with on the 2 stops of light and the 5 stops of light. So when you do go to the 2 stops of light and you try to go past that, it doesn't let you. It has a hard stop right there. Likewise for the 5 stop mark, if you try to go past that, it stops you right there. That's going to be perfect. I personally have the 77mm, but the filter does come in 3mm sizes. 77 is what I have. It comes in 82, and it also comes in 67. Putting away the lens filter for a moment, we will check out some of the other accessories inside the box. You do get this pretty dope soft shell case with a built-in, wait for it, lens cloth. That's super dope. I mean, that's super convenient. The fact that it comes with a built-in lens cloth just makes things a lot easier. So along with all that, you do get a small card holder right here. Inside of that, you'll pretty much just find a few bits of information on the case, a few decals / stickers right here at Polar Pro, the lifetime warranty card right here, and just a few instructions and promotional information from Polar Pro themselves. Another accessory that you do get along with all of this is a small microfiber cloth from Peter Mckinnon, another one of his iconic pictures right here / signature right here on the bottom. Pretty neat little cloth if you're not already using the one that comes built in with the soft pouch. I bought the Peter Mckinnon VND specifically for my 70-200 f2.8. If you have not seen my review on this lens, I'll leave it linked right up here. Go check it out before you watch this any further. But I did buy that because this does have a 77mm thread on it. The one thing that I was pretty disappointed though is the fact that this lens hood right here comes with a small slot right here to slide forward, unveiling a small spot for you to adjust any sort of filter or unthread a filter right there. So I was actually under the impression that if I got this filter, I'd be able to keep it on with the lens hood built on. And I was sadly disappointed when I found out that it fits exactly with the lens itself, not allowing any room for the lens hood to fit on there. So that is a bit of a bummer. By this point, I'm pretty sure you're familiar or you've seen other reviews on the Peter Mckinnon Variable ND filter or any other neutral density filter out there. And the general consensus is that it's pretty much just like putting a pair of sunglasses on your lens, and that's pretty much what it is. It allows you to keep the shutter speed at double the frame rate, giving you that cinematic motion blur. And this one does not disappoint, does the exact same thing at a very high quality. So overall, I'm very pleased with the Peter Mckinnon Variable ND filter. It gets an A-. This filter is going to be excellent in terms of build quality. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. If you like the video, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. Drop any comments down below that you might have on the filter or any other product that you would like to see on the channel being reviewed. And other than that, it's Juan at JB Reviews. I'll catch you next time.